Here we are at another room available to rent. We are at $30.99 midship on deck 3. Let's check it out. Here we are in a porthole room. We have a nice big double bed. The owner has available for you, there's a closet space. You can hang clothes there. Perfect for someone who likes a lot of clothes because they make lots of room. Nice porthole. For the first time this is listed, it'll be available for about 3 weeks around the time we're in Australia. Now that may change in the future, so of course you're going to want to check in the description below. Hit the word more to find out the dates. The dates are flexible. The owner is willing to work with the cabotage laws, since in Australia you can't do an open loop without going back to the same port. So you can embark or disembark in Australia. So the owner will work with you on those dates. So reach out. The information will be in the description below, and contact the owner. So lots of extra shelving here for you. She will remove her personal stuff, of course. This is the midship extension section. So you have, it's just a little newer, the woodworking, a little fresher looking, if you will. This closet here will also be empty. Space up top, safe. You'll have drawers. All of those will be emptied for your use. So you have that space. And again, you'll have this space over here. Look how cute this is decorated. Plenty of space. We're conveniently located near the spa. Check out the portholes. We happen to be in the Bering Sea during recording. We have a coffee maker, a nice desk area, all the things you need. So again, if you're interested in renting this room, just click on more and find the description and reach out to the owner and see if you can work out some dates to come join us on the Villa Vie Odyssey. There is a refrigerator over here and more storage. You have the TV here, perfectly positioned. Sit back in bed and check out a movie or two.